kasing lens.
Laging in, day 4 in Thailand. Kotse na kami. Let's go. It's electric.
Carry the bag?
It's alright, it's electric. Alright, ito na yung stadium and the football field. Walang daan. Iikot talaga tayo sa kabila. Ayun na yung mga boys. Let's go, let's walk. Medyo tama nga yung pin namin kasi at Sarat University. Pero malayo kami dito sa stadium. Yung Grab ayaw kaming dalhin kasi na yung pinpoint namin. Dapat pala pinin namin yung Nescafe Cafe kasi yung landmark. Kasi sana doon ang baba namin mas malapit. Pero okay lang. Adventure in Thailand. Okay. Oh my God, there's a shortcut. Finally. Oh, daming duckweed. Alright. Getting lost in Thailand. Sort of. Not yet. And this is it. Shortcut. Here's a stadium. Alright, day 4 in Thailand, shoot day tayo with for the Philippine rugby team. Alright, let's do this.
For us tomorrow. Alright, you're all gonna be fizzing. First thing, you're gonna be fizzing when you're out there.
Right? We can either do that or we can, do it within the next.
Alright. Ngayon ulit kami ng lunch sa Lotus Mall. Kami sa overpass. Talagang pinapakita talaga yung backpack sa video ko. Wow. Ayan, Lotus Mall again. Yun o, Raptor, sana all. Ito yung cash card where you can reload your cash card payment for the food court. So this is cash only. Minimum of 500 baht. So si Mili pinapakita yung reloading. Ayan. So na-reload na using Google Translate to talk to the Thai guy. Ito yung food court nila. Ito yung food court. I'll get the chicken rice again. Okay na?
No, I have to check out my 100.
Kailangan ubusin. Okay. Ubusin pala dapat. So, ito yung food court nila dito. Yan. Uy, masarap to. So, meron pang 150. Turo-turo. Ay, wow. Ito, nabiktima ako niyang kahapon. Ang sobrang anghang. So, we're going to buy. Ayun, reloaded na. Yay!
Parang nanalo.
Parang nanalo. Okay, kapon crab.
Ordering natin si Ice Tea mahabang.
Oo. Pork bumba. Parang patatim. Wow. Para siyang ano, no? 65 baht.
Low spice?
Which one?
Low spice?
Which one dito?
Rice with kaki?
Kaki and egg ba?
No, walang egg kaki. Ay,
Okay, Mili. Oh. Wow.
join na tayo sa isa.
Oo, doon na. Kasya yan. Oh my gosh. Wow, okay. Boiled egg. Ano, change ka na ang mind? Wala kang egg, sure ka? Oh, thank you. Kapong crab. Ay, di kasya. Ito yung cash card. Isa lang. 120. What you got there? Pad Thai?
Thai salad.
Thai salad and spicy? Did you tell that's spicy? Well, I can see red, yo. I can see red.
I saw.
Oh, dalawa? Okay, Mike to isa. Nice. Wow. It's like a feast, ah. Oh, we got the same same food.
Huh?
We got the same. The pork. Nice. Taste na natin to. Oh my God, sarap.
Sabi nila, mahal.
Sarap.
2 minutes.
Ilalakad lahat naka-cellphone. Ang bagal na lakad natin. We're here sa 4th floor ng Best Western Hotel. We're getting ready for the press con ng Philippine Volcanoes, Philippine rugby team. And okay, there's a coffee machine and hinahanap pa namin yung venue. This is Paradise Party. Ayan. I guess the room is lahat ata na players no?
Upload ko ba ito?
Alam ikaw, reels mo yan eh. Alright, getting ready for the press conference.
To go out and play for the Asian Barbarians, and so we just want to recognize those guys as well. So
Alright, let's try this vending machine in Thailand. And I have here a 10 baht. So 5 baht, 5 baht. So pwede naman daw dito. So gonna get a bottle of water, for example. Sabi dito, select product, payment method. Oh my God, teka muna, drink. 10 baht. Nakita akong tubig eh. Wala kasi tindahan ng tubig dito eh. Hala! Hala!
Same lang price ba?
10 baht eh. Ano to? 12 baht pala. Wala na yung...
Sabi ko ng tubig, ay no, 16 baht lang,
Hindi.
12 baht. Same lang din, 10, 12.
Hindi, iba eh.
Na.
Out of stock na yung iba. So, teka muna, kulang pera ko. 12 baht pala tong tubig eh. Okay, 12 baht. So, ayun.
7 baht.
Okay.
2 baht pa.
Ay, putik na luwa. Pasok. Ayun. Okay na. Saan nalabas yun? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God! Woo! Tika na. Pull up. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so heavy. Diba? Nalo. Okay na. O ikaw. So, ayun. Vending machine sa Thailand. Alright, kaya na tayo. Water lang ako, water lang. Oh my God, check out the food. Kasama pa pala yung yung nalimutan mo to. Hindi ko nabalikan. Oh my God. Day 4 in Thailand. That's closing na yung food court. Tara, let's eat. I'm tasting the pad thai. Super good, grabe. Ang sarap, grabe. Ano? Harap na. Simple lang pero masarap. Also to. Masarap yun siya, not spicy. Super good. Take out mo na lang yan.